turn around. Go that way and turn around. Slow! Damn it. He's not listening to the whistle. Okay, he's coming back. I don't think we got to worry, Dad. All right, let's take it back. Okay, let's take it back to your party. Slow! Okay, he's paying attention. All right, I better run. He's fast. Yeah. Don't do that, you'll mess up your wheel. All right, you want to hit the brake, hit the button, hold it. Nice. Now put your kickstand down. Up the other side, come off the other side. Come off this side.
Definitely awesome. Be careful, that motor's hot.
Yeah, motor's gonna be hot. It'll burn you. Look at here. This can burn you. This can burn you now.
Fast.
The muffler can burn you.
Two-stroke, I knew it'd be fast.